Redis is an in-memory data structure store, used as a distributed, in-memory key, value database, cache and message broker, with optional durability. Redis supports different kinds of abstract data structures, such as strings, lists, maps, sets, sorted sets, hyperlog logs, bitmaps, streams, and spatial indices. The project was developed and maintained by Salvatore Sanfilippo, starting in 2009. Redis popularized the idea of a system that can be considered a store and a cache at the same time. It was designed so that data is always modified and read from the main computer memory, but also stored on disk in a format that is unsuitable for random data access. According to monthly DB Engine's rankings, Redis is often the most popular key value database. Redis has also been ranked the number 4 NoSQL database in user satisfaction and market presence based on user reviews, the most popular NoSQL database in containers.